Includes, this set contains 1 cup glass measuring cup, 2 cup glass measuring cup, and 4 cup glass measuring cup. Anchor Hocking's signature spout facilitates clean pouring to reduce messes and ensure you can be exact in your cooking. Durable and versatile use, these measuring cups smelt, mix, and reheat. Imperial and metric units sit side by side on sturdy, solid glass that ensure you can whisk, beat, and pour in the same place you measure. Cook. Store. Clean, these measuring cups are microwave, fridge, freezer, and dishwasher safe. Chip-resistant non-porous glass protects food flavors. Lead-free. BPA-free. Safe design, Anchor Hocking glass is healthier than plastic and metal. It will not warp, stain, retain smells, or leach dangerous chemicals or microplastics into food or liquids. Made in USA, we began in Ohio in 1905 with the aim of maximizing your home's potential. Today our goal and location are the same. That's right. 115 years later, our glass measuring cups are still proudly made in America. Anchor Hocking 3-piece measuring cup set contains 1 cup glass measuring cup, 2 cup glass measuring cup and 4 cup glass measuring cup. Glass is microwave, preheated oven, refrigerator, and dishwasher safe. Open handle for easy grip and pour. Easy to read measurements in ounces, cups, milliliters, and liters. This set is perfect for registries and new homeowners. Top reviews from the United States. Doesn't dribble. I finally got fed up with my Pyrex measuring cups dribbling warmed over coffee all over my clean counters and floor. Googling, I found complaints matching mine and recommendations for Anchor Hocking's unique spout design which prevents or eliminates the dribble when pouring. OMG. The weight of all those years of frustration washed away the first time I poured liquid out of these measuring cups without spilling a drop. I literally could not stop smiling. Why, oh why had I waited so long? I threw my old Pyrex measuring cups in the recycle bin that same day and have never looked back. I will be picking up a couple extra 2 and 4 cups so I will always have a clean one ready to go. Don't even think about it, just click the buy button and discover the inner peace of never dribbling again.